araw nandito yung mama ko at saka yung mga tita ko. So, pinilit ko silang kumain sa McDonald's. Why? Of course, para makomplete natin yung mga characters sa Friends. So, ayan. Ready na ba kayo? Simulan natin. So, nakabalot pa siya. Si Phoebe. So cute.
I am telling you, years from now, school children will study you as one of the greatest first dates of all time.
They are so cute and tiny.
Totally be ourselves.